go. All right, changing out the laser heads. Once again, you want your little handy dandy xtool set to send with this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this up, undo this screw, one, so then we can get back to it, and then this screw. xtool has made this super efficient and easy, except for one part. I'll show you that in a second. And pop off this magnet as well. Alright, so there's a little latch on the back. So this latches into here, just so you're aware. Here, make sure your machine is off while you do this, because you do not want to mess up any circuits or anything. Alright, take off the air hose, and then this is the part that I do not like. You have all these little stringy pieces. That came off pretty easy, but sometimes it feels like it gets stuck on there a little bit, and I do not like that. There's that. You can set that off to the side for now. Put on the other one. Once again, reverse order. Pop this on here. Make sure this clicks all the way in. There we go. Put the air hose back on. Alright. And then, remember what I said, this piece has to go in here. So you line that up, drop it down, hold it, because if you don't, it could fall down in there and get busted. Go ahead and start tightening this on. Once you get that in there, that way you don't have to hold on to it as much. Same for this one. Put this on here. Tighten it down. Then slap this back on here. Make sure there's no. Alright, make sure it's leveling on there like that. And there you go. Now you have that installed.